how to download RFC destination. Why we need to download the RFC destinations? So what is the RFC destination? When we do the RFC, when we do system refresh activity, we need to take the export. We need to take the export or backup of RFC destinations. So whenever we are going for DB refresh activity, at that time we are going to export the RFC destination to maintain. Why we are going to export means we need to, after DB refresh activity, we need to maintain the RFC destinations as it is previously what is having. Suppose for example, we are refreshing the data from production system to quality. That quality system is filled with the quality production system information. That means we need to set, like previously what is having the connection types in destinations, all those things we need to maintain as it is back in the quality system after having the like a DB refresh. Like how to export the RFC destinations? We can export the RFC destinations in two ways. So one is SM59 utilities, check internal connections, display destination, list, export. I am hitting SM59. I am going to utilities, check internal connection and display destinations, executing. See here, display or delete inactive internal RFC destinations. We can see here. So it is showing no inactive RFC destinations. It is going to give you the all inactive internal RFC destinations. Just to go to list and then after you just click export, you can, what are the required file format, you can select and you can download. This is disabled. Why it is disabled means there is no data in it. So if it is having any data in it, you just select the required inactive internal RFC connection destinations. You just come here and export the required format of these things. So once the list is available, these things is going to be enabled. Next we can export the RFC destinations in tables. So SE16 is a T code to check the table information. Where we can have the table information, SE16 is a T code. So what is the table? RFCDES is the table name. So you just execute and select the all RFC destinations, and after that you just go to edit and download the required file formats and click generate. That file is going to be saved into your system. So what is the T code to check the table information? SE16 is right. So now I'm on SE16. I'm just clicking RFC. DES is the table name, right? I'm just click enter and then after click execute. So it is going to give you the all the destination informations, and I'm selecting all. So I'm selecting the all table RFC DES select entries. It is about to 40. So and then after you just go to edit and then after click download and select the what are the required file format. I'm going with the text with the tabs, and then after you can select that which directory you want to store the file. So I want to make it as the desktop only, and then after what are the file type you want, you can select here. So I'm selecting the Excel type, XLS. So I'm just giving the file name as RFC1 I'm giving. So and after that you just click generate. So you need to give the allow your. So it is downloaded. So this is the file. This is XLS file, right? Excel file. So this is how we are going to download the information RFC destinations from the SE16 table, and as well as we can able to download the text file as well. Just to go edit, download, text with tabs, come here This by default it is taking txt format. I'm not going to change. If you want to select the text format, command and select here, save. You just give the file name as RFC, something like this. So click generate, allow my, so the file is generated. Let me check. This is RFC, right? So this is how we are going to export the Excel files and TXT files. So why we are downloading this destination means, suppose the connection types, where we are going to mention the connection type, see here, SM59. So where we can see the destinations, see here, this is the RFC destinations. What we are giving, so I'm giving the client number. So this is our destination, right? So once you save this destination settings, it is having with the relevant information. So we need to have the all the destination information in it. That means the text file or what are the text files or Excel file, you are going to have it with your in desktop. We are going to maintain after the DB refresh as it is back in the quality system. So this is the destination we are going to download or extract from the system. This is about RFC destination export.